In this box is the xTool F1 rolling hard case, a custom case designed by xTool for their F1 laser to supposedly allow you to transport it much easier, safer, and of course, in style. Hey everybody, my name is Sam and welcome back to Samcraft. That's right, xTool F1 rolling hard case just arrived in my shop, literally just off the package delivery truck. Let's go ahead and open this guy up and check it out. Well, it wouldn't be xTool if there wasn't some black foam in a box. This is good though. This is what we all expect and have come to love from xTool's product packaging. Get on out of there. I see a handle here. Let's grab the handle and see if I can just lift this out of here. If my face doesn't give it away, this is actually pretty cool looking. You guys ready for this? Hang on, let me really get the reveal nice. Look at that. Would you look at it? Look at it roll. Oh yes, I'm having a little too much fun. All right, spinning it around here to the back, we have a luggage style retractable self-stowing handle. Very cool, nice, kind of hexagonal, not a perfect hexagon, but 6-sided extrusions, aluminum handle here. Nice smooth action. On the top, you have a lay flat pivoting handle, nice there. You've got some metal corner protectors on the top and down here on the bottom as well. The hinges on the back are metal with some safety stops. They're pretty robust looking. And the front, you have, of course, the xTool logo, but some nice luggage latches. I like the kind of gunmetal gray color. It definitely matches the color of the P2 or the S1. So that is nice and sharp. And then on the bottom, we have 4 swivel casters, and the ones at the back do lock. So that is nice. They are locking casters. Pretty good quality too. They're not just some little junky ones. They are nice ball bearing, pivoting here. Yeah, good stuff. All right, let's unlatch it and see what's in the box. All right guys, inside we have a nice product card, a lavender sachet, like for real. It smells good. I was not expecting that one. Then we have a nice tray up top with some dividers that you can pick up and slide around and move. That is really cool. Then this whole top tray lifts out. It's got some metal handles on the sides. And down in here we have even more foam padding. Let's see, we have a velvet bag here, probably for putting your accessories in and things like that. The foam inserts down inside here do not come out. They are glued in place, so they stay put. And it looks like right offhand you got room for the F1 power adapters, cords, possibly the slide extension table. I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and get the stuff out here though and see what fits and where it goes. Sometimes I get ahead of myself and I look like a dummy. So if you look at this paper right here, the one that was on the very top of the box when we opened it, inside it gives you a diagram. It tells you what will go in it and what goes where. So in the main void, that's where the F1 sits. I probably would have got that one. Over to the right is the area designed for your exhaust hose to go. And then towards the front of you where the latches are, you use that space in addition to the little black velvet bags to store your power adapter, USB cords, things like that. And the other one they show using your insert plate and your knife bed. Pretty cool. So let me go grab my pieces and we'll put them in the box. Okay, so I have my F1. Let's go ahead and slide it right down into here. That is a perfect fit. Very nice. And now we have my exhaust hose. Awesome. All All right, now we'll use one of these velvet bags. Put my power adapter in here. I guess this will be optional. I mean, it's kind of nice they do give you the bag. Sometimes, especially if you're at events, you want to get in or out fast, and these little stuff bags do work nice. Let's see if it fits here though, inside its stuff bag. Yeah, no problem with that one, guys. In this last area, I've got the bag. Let's go ahead and put my base plate in, and then my knife bed. And does it fit here? Yes, absolutely. A great fit with all of this stuff. And it's not moving anywhere. The latches are making the noise. This stuff is rock solid. Let's not forget our nice lavender sachet. And now let's drop this tray in the top. Feels like it's maybe touching the exhaust hose just a little bit over here. It'll compress, it's fine. We're not hurting anything. The dividers up here are really cool. I like this option. This ability to be modular on the top is really nice. This is also a great place to put any kind of other things you want for an event or just for portability reasons. I've got a handful of things over here. Let's go ahead and load up this top tray and see what all will fit. I have my laser safety glasses. Here are a bunch of drink coasters. These are slate drink coasters. Let's say if we want to do some engraving of the pencils, maybe you're at an event with a school. That box fits there, no problem. Throw a notebook, a pen there. And then let's say we have some keychains in the boxes here. They also would fit. Yeah, they do. Awesome. They can fit there, standing up, without any issues at all. There is the xTool F1 rolling cart box cabinet. What is this? There is the xTool F1 hard rolling case. This is good quality. Now I will say all of this not knowing the price. I just got this off the delivery truck, so I don't know the price. It may or may not be worth it depending upon your budget. But as far as build quality, functionality, usability, and form and fit factor, this is extremely nice. So as you guys saw, there's plenty of room up top for a lot of accessories, and the fact that it has the lift out tray is nice for just lifting all of that out, getting it out of the way, pulling the machine out, going to town. And when you're done, when that event is over, throw it in the tray, put it back in, and just roll on out. It works great for the F1. The F1 default accessories and everything fit in here wonderfully. Unfortunately, this case is not large enough to put the slide extension table in here if you have it with your laser. So that you're gonna have to carry separately along with your air purifier, the air purifier's hose, and stuff like that. So really, this case is only for the xTool F1 machine with a few little accessories. Not the slide table, not the purifier, or anything else like that. That being said, this is a nice little box and absolutely is going to keep my xTool F1 nice, safe, and sound, especially as I'm transitioning out of this workshop and into my new one, or just in flux with construction like everything is right now anyway. As always, there is a link to this down below and the other xTool stuff you've seen in my shop. Also check out my other xTool videos if you're curious about this. You want to know what the F1 can do, can't do, all that stuff. I'll put links to those down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this short video. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, take care, and I'll see you guys next time rolling around in the workshop.